Beauties, this is Wangali with Two Chic Chicks, here to do an unboxing on some skincare from the company called The Ordinary. Well, I went online and made an order for The Ordinary, and it just got here, and I'm so excited. I ran in here and just threw the lights and everything up just to make this video, so I'm not going to talk long, and I'm just going to, do this as quick as possible, real quick. Oh, wait a minute before we do that. Wait a minute, you're watching this. Tell me, please, that you are subscribed. If you are not subscribed, please click that subscribe button, and right next to it, hit that notification bell so you will be notified as soon as I upload my next video. But the name of the company, like I said, is called The Ordinary. Here's the box right here that my products come in. I placed the order, it's been maybe 5 days ago, and I just wanted to see how I just want to know how some of these skincare products work. I went on here basically looking for, I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing, I'm sorry. Went on looking for a toner for my skin, in which I didn't think, toners were that important, but as I've been reading up and my skin is getting a little mature here, I decided, maybe I should be doing this thing called, using a toner. But here go my items in here. The first one is called the Vitamin C. It's suspension 30%, and it says in silicone. So that's this. This is how it looks. It has 1 fluid ounce inside here. Now, vitamin C is something real good for the skin. Almost everything is good for the skin. I'm going to open it up so I can just smell it and see if it has a scent or anything. Hold on a second. It doesn't have a scent. It really does not have a scent. So if you have, if you're allergic to fragrances, you wouldn't have to worry about this. It's just a white. It's kind of thick. Vitamin C. You can wear this in day or night. It has a little smooth feeling to it on your hand. Okay, let's see what else I have. I have now the Salicylic acid solution, and this is definitely something I need, because I suffer with blackheads. I don't care how I clean my face or whatever, blackheads just seems to plague me. And basically my blackheads come like around my cheek and across here for me. It's not so bad like on my nose as much. You would think it would be bad on there because I get real oily on my nose, but no, mine are basically across my cheeks real bad. And as I've gotten older, it's not as bad as it used to be, but I still am plagued with having blackheads. I am still plagued. So this is how many ounces? I'm sorry guys. This is 1 fluid ounce also. Salicylic acid. And this is what it looks like. It has a dropper to it. So it doesn't have a color to it. Let's see how this feels. It dries quick. So it dries real quick. And it's a nice little feel to it. I like that. So that's this. But this is what I went in for, was this. A toning solution. It is 8 fluid ounces. And let me tell you what the price of it was. The price is not even on here. I'm sorry guys. The price it's not even on here. Nothing I got here is over $10. The highest thing probably is $9.99, but I don't know what it is. But I think this was like about $8 or something like that. And I bought, it does not stay in stock. So when I finally got a hold of it, I decided, well, since I'm getting it, I'm gonna go ahead and order 2 bottles, because it was like maybe $8 and some change or something. And I didn't want to take the chance of I like it and then it runs, I wouldn't be able to get it again until they restock it or something. But this is it right here. It has just plain packaging. I mean, yeah, plastic bottle, plain packaging, and it has this right here to put on the top. You would take this top off, replace it with this one, and you know, dampen your cotton ball or your pad and just cleanse your face with it. I was reading up on some of the products, and this one is supposed to be really good for, you know, you use it after you take off your makeup and everything, and you use it. It's supposed to bring back your pH levels in your skin. So this is one item I purchased. Now here's another item I purchased. It's called, oh, this is sunscreen. This one is 17 fluid ounces, and it's called, it says The Ordinary Sunscreen, and it's a mineral UV Filters SPF 30 with antioxidants. So this is what this looked like, and I bought one of these because I haven't been using sunscreen as well as I should. You know, especially getting mature and stuff, you really need to protect your skin from the sun's rays. And you know, as the word is, melatonin, no. I don't care how much melatonin you have in your skin, you still need to be using a sunscreen. Definitely. Well, you definitely better be putting on some makeup over this, because it has a white cast to it. I don't know if you can see that, but it has definitely a white cast. And that's why a lot of times people don't like to use SPF, because it does have that, it can leave that white cast on you, but it's not that bad of a cast. And this is 100% cold pressed virgin Marula oil, and I probably butchered that, MANULA. So that's what this is, and this is 1 fluid ounce also, but this is what it looks like, and it's in a dark bottle. Now you notice the other one, the salicylic acid, came in a lighter bottle, and I'm taking it for the sun rays in case you have it sitting out. It shouldn't, you know, be in direct sun or have sun on it, so they put it in a darker bottle. And this one has a tinge of a color, and I mean just a tinge, like an oil, like maybe a very light olive oil color. I'm not big on using too many oils. It's not sitting exactly on my skin. It rubs in easy. I like that. It rubbed in real good. No problem with it rubbing into your skin. It's soaked in real nice. It's not like, you know how you can get some oils and they just sit on your skin, you just feel greasy, slick. It doesn't feel like that. So that is all I got from The Ordinary. And like I said, I will come back and let you know how these items did for me, how I used them, which ones I liked, which ones I didn't like, how they worked on my skin. And let me tell you about my skin, so you'll know what type of skin type I have. I have oily, normal skin. In my T-zone, I am so oily. Okay, in my T-zone, I'm oily, and around the perimeter of my face, I'm not. I'm pretty normal, but so I have to always watch what I'm using, because I don't want to I don't want to strip my natural oils from my face, but I do want to combat some of the oil. So ladies, that is it for this video. Like I said, I just wanted to jump on real quick, give you a little information about, share with you what I have gotten from the company called The Ordinary. And then, like I said, I will come back and do a review to let you know how I got along with these items, how they worked for me and my skin. And I'll just come back on and let you know how I got along with these products, and which ones I ended up loving, which ones I didn't. And if you like this video and any of the other videos, I do have more videos, so please check those out. But if you like this one, please give it a thumb up, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye.